Hi guys, happy Monday, and I'm here with a Valentine's Day cup Cricut tutorial. This one has 3 different colors, red, pink, and white. I am obsessed with how it came out, so I'm here to show you what I did. So of course, after weeding everything, I always like to use alcohol wipes to clean the cup. This gets rid of any dirt, oils on the cup so that the vinyl can adhere better and longer for your customers or even for yourself. And then I went ahead with the HTV Runt transfer tape, which is like my all-time favorite transfer tape. And if you've been following me for a really long time, you're probably tired of me talking about it, but I just love it so much. Then I went ahead and applied the bottom layer first right onto the cup. I do enjoy doing the layering in parts just because I feel like it does help with bubbles, but it could just be me and me needing to still learn, but I just wanted to point that out there for you. This design had minimal layering, so it wasn't so tedious or anything like that, and I did enjoy the process and putting on the little smiley faces and the hearts around the cup. And here I am using the Tech Wrap Craft pink, and then I used Oracle 651 white, and then Starcraft red. But yeah, here it is. Let me know what you think.